each one seen 1,000 ways through the lens of inner sight. What I touch is not my mind. What I see is not my name. Many stand before one form, each one knowing it as their own. Consciousness and form entwined, separate yet moving as one. The world exists beyond my view, yet shaped by how I look upon it. I turn leaving form but honoring all, walking gently through the world, knowing every path unfold. I followed shape and sound, believing form was all there is. Then the quiet voice within led me past the outer skin. Some still walk the path of form, some awaken toward the soul. Each unfolds in sacred time. No comparison is needed. Consciousness and form entwined, separate yet moving as one. The world exists beyond my view, yet shaped by how I look upon it. I turn inward toward the light, leaving form but honoring all, walking gently through the world, knowing every path I do not judge another road. Each step answers deeper calls. As the soul remembers truth, form becomes a passing wave. Consciousness and form entwined, held within a greater whole. I am not the shape I wear, I am the knowing that remains. I walk free within this truth, grounded yet forever clear. Form and spirit side by side, guiding